Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Basic Learning with SS. Hope you all are doing great and having a good time. Today in this video we will discuss what is a colon and its usage. Let's get started. A colon is a punctuation mark used to introduce information, emphasize a point or separate elements in a sentence. It signals that what follows is directly related to the preceding clause. Come to its uses. Number 1. Introducing a list. A colon is used before listing items when the preceding clause is a complete sentence. For example, she bought several items, apples, oranges, bananas, and grapes. You need 3 things for success. Dedication, hard work, and patience. To the next use of colon, introducing an explanation or clarification. We can use colon to introduce an explanation, definition, or elaboration. For example, there is one thing you should remember, honesty is key. The reason for the delay was simple, bad weather. Come to the next use of colon. Before a quotation, we use a colon when introducing a quotation with a complete sentence. For example, teacher reminded us practice makes perfect. His favorite quote is from Shakespeare, to be or not to be. Come to the next use of colon. In time, ratios, and references. A colon separates hours and minutes, ratios, and references. For example, the time is 10:30 p.m. The recipe calls for 2:1 of water or rice. To the next use of colon. In business letters and formal writing, a colon follows the salutations in formal letters. For example, dear hiring manager, to whom it may concern, Common mistakes to avoid. We should not use colon after a verb or preposition directly. For example, my favorite fruits are, colon is placed at wrong position here, so it's a false. The correct is my favorite fruits are apples, oranges, and bananas. Now we will have a quiz at the end. Do give your answer in the comment section. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you.